Well, my friends, it's time to do some brake replacement and rotors on a 2013 Ford Fiesta. Getting a little pulsating when we apply brakes, and in addition to that, we got about 67,000 miles. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the brake pads. Actually, that one looks pretty good. But while we're here, let's get this taken care of. New pads and rotors from Rock Auto. It is my favorite place to shop for auto parts. Pads come with hardware. Pads and rotors as a set was probably about 80 bucks. I consider that a fair deal. Look at the difference in that. Since this kit comes with the hardware, I'm going to take advantage of that and swap it out. Let's compare the brake pads. Make sure they're all the same. It was shown on another video that the back shims were swapped. I'm not sure why that's done, but since it was done on one video, might as well do it on another video. Well, look, there's two shims on this pad, so maybe that's the reason that they were swapped out. There we go. Now we get the caliper put back after we change the rotor, and we get the new pads in place. You gotta love how easy it is to take a rotor off. Doesn't look too bad, but like I said, we're getting a little pulsating. That happened probably about 30,000 miles ago. Okay, new rotor in place. One thing to keep in mind is make sure you have brake cleaner handy, because the brake rotors come from the factory with a little bit of grease on there, and we'll make sure you knock that off. Alright, now time to push the caliper back. It is recommended to use some brake lubricant on any of the moving parts. So let's not forget that step. Now let's seat the brake pads. And put the caliper back on. Alright, now it's time to line up the bolt threads. Okay, there you have it. So the next step is to tighten everything down, get the wheel back on, and do the other side. Well, for the most part, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and get this tightened up and start on the other side. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know below. Happy motoring.